Hey everyone, I have been getting lot of queries from many of you and from few of my students when they just start their journey in the law of attraction about the manifestation and visualization that they have been doing for a specific goal. Now, they see that whatever they have been doing or manifesting, it is somehow getting delayed and it's not happening. And after a point in time, you tend to either give up or you lose the interest, thinking that this particular goal seems to be really impossible for you to have it in your life. If this is what you're going through, then let me tell you a very crisp and a clear solution to this particular problem is your limiting belief about the goals. Now, often it has been seen that we are not actually aware of what kind of limiting beliefs we are holding inside us, because of which all these blocks are delaying our manifestations or visualizations to have this goal in our life. Now, if you believe which has been acting as blockages in your life, you got to just identify them and you got to just pull them out of your system. Then I'm going to share a very effortless and a beautiful way how, with this particular simple method, you will not just identify your limiting belief about a goal, but at the same time you would be able to clear each of your limiting beliefs like within a span of 5 to 10 minutes. And then if you do your manifestation and visualization, that becomes much more effortless and much more easy for you to do the exercise and start having that goal even more faster in your life, right? So before I start the method and show you how you can actually resolve this particular issue of visualization or manifestation, let me just take 2 minutes to introduce myself. So my name is Mo. I'm a life coach and an author of the book Awakening Your Inner Light. So my book is available on Amazon, and if you wish to have a quick glance on my book and wants to know more about what I have shared in my book, you can just go to Amazon, type Awakening Your Inner Light, and you would be able to see my book. Alright, now let's just get into the method of how you can start pulling out all the deep-rooted limiting beliefs that have been staying within you for so many years, or maybe for so many months, or maybe for a decade. And not just that, you will be able to also clear each and every limiting belief that you have, and then you make your visualization and manifestation much effortless. The first thing that you need to understand that these limiting beliefs are nothing but based on certain experiences, certain informations that we have been gathering, or how we have been fed into our system about this particular subject. Say for example, you are manifesting for money. So how do you think about money, and what all experiences you had with money since your childhood, what all things you have seen around your surroundings, all of this creates a big impact of making certain limiting beliefs get deep rooted, or even seated in your subconscious mind for like a decade, right? And these limiting beliefs seems to be so comfortable being a part of you that they eventually start creating certain blocks, because of which, even if you are doing so many manifestations, so many visualizations, so many techniques, so many affirmations, things are just not working out for you. So the first thing, how to just start pulling all the limiting beliefs out of your system for a specific goal, is just take a blank sheet and a pen. Write the goal, maybe the money goal that you have in your mind, and write that and start seeing that what exactly you feel about that goal, right? And don't judge or don't try to manipulate your thoughts or the emotions that instantly or spontaneously comes when you are looking at that goal on the sheet, but just keep writing everything and anything that comes to your mind and keep filling up the sheet. So you will start seeing that there will be some spontaneous thought that comes to your mind when you are thinking about this goal. Now the good news is, all that you will get spontaneously from while thinking about this goal is all the thoughts, all the belief that you have in your subconscious mind. So let everything comes out and start filling up the sheet. Now once you are convinced that you have actually emptied yourself and you have nothing else inside you when you think about this goal, you can stop writing. And the next step is just start reading the statements. Now once you start reading the statements, you might see that the number of negative belief, the number of negative emotions, the number of negative statements are quite high as compared to your positive statements. Now there's nothing to worry, but these are just your real negative belief that have been deeply rooted in your subconscious mind for so long, right? So once you have the entire list of limiting belief that just came out of your system, you will have to start converting them into the positive statements. Now, for example, if I have a limiting belief that I am not worthy of financial abundance, I need to just convert that into a positive statement saying, I am the divine child and financial abundance is my heritage. Or you can write, I am the divine child and I am worthy of financial abundance. So in this way, you have to take each and every negative statement and start converting into the positive statements. The moment you are able to convert or reverse them from negative to positive, these are your real affirmations, which are required to be practiced or affirmed every day to make this goal happen in your life, right? So the first step is identification. The identification is not the end of removing this limiting belief, but the second step is clearing them. So once you convert every negative to positive, you are actually clearing all the negative beliefs that you have in your mind. So before you start affirming, like once you have the ready list of all the positive affirmations that you have just converted from the negative statements to positive, before doing that, you can do a hope no prayer, making it very clear that you are doing the hope no prayer just to align yourself with that goal. So look at that goal and start saying the prayer, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, for at least 11 to 21 times, and then you start affirming your positive affirmations that you have just created by yourself. So firstly, you don't need any help for your real affirmations. These are the exact and the to the point affirmations which are required to nullify all your limiting beliefs that have been sitting inside you. Now the more you start affirming this, the more you start programming yourself, the more you make yourself even more closer to your goal. So if you make it a regular practice of doing all these real affirmations, the positive affirmations that you have created, and you will see it that how beautifully you are able to attract so many things in terms of your, say for example, we were just thinking about the money goal. So in terms of your abundance, you started attracting a lot of financial abundance beyond your expectations, and you can see a drastic difference in your personality, the kind of thoughts you generate, the kind of the concept that you have for money. Everything starts changing and things become so easy and effortless for you to have this goal in your life. So in this way, you are not just speeding up the manifestation, but with these real affirmations which you have converted from negative to positive, helps you to program your mind, and not just programming, but you're also clearing each and every negative belief that you have inside you for so long and you are not aware of that. So this is a beautiful exercise and a very powerful and effortless way how you can identify, you can start clearing this negative belief, and then you start making it a habit of affirming them regularly to program your subconscious mind, right? So I hope this video is going to help you to not just speed up your manifestations, but pull out all the negative belief that have been as junk in your life for so long, and you are just emptying this space to make your mind and the subconscious mind filled up with all the real and the positive affirmations. So if you think this is valuable, do share this video with lot many other people whom you feel who are also struggling with similar kind of situation, and with the help of this video they can also clear all the limiting beliefs that they have in their subconscious mind, right? And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, because I'm going to publish more and more videos by which I can make your life even more easy and effortless. And all my techniques that I have been sharing for all this while are very simple and easy to implement. So if you wish to receive such kind of videos in future which are easy and effortless, in which you can execute and see the results happening in your life at a faster speed, then just don't forget to hit the bell icon to get you notified. And as I said, don't forget to also start commenting below about this video that if you have any questions, or feel free to share your results, because once you start executing this, you will be able to see a different version of you when you start clearing all your negative beliefs, right? So feel free to always share your results, and that's how I will also understand that how more and more techniques and processes I can definitely bring it on the table to make your life be more perfect, easy and effortless, and I can add lot many other value in your life. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. At the same time, you've got some learning which probably you have not given a thought about it so far. And I promise that I will be sharing my next video very soon. So thank you for watching. Thank you for finding out some time to understand this, and now you're all set to implement that in your life. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep commenting, keep subscribing, and also keep sharing your results. Thank you very much.